everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home garden decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As those summer blooms start to fade, many people think their container gardening season is over. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Today, we're going to keep the color and life going strong with fall container plants. The crisp air, the changing leaves, pumpkin spice, everything. Fall is a season of incredible beauty. But often, our outdoor containers, which were bursting with summer annuals, can start to look a bit tired and neglected. Don't let your patio or front porch lose its vibrancy when autumn arrives. With the right selection of cool weather plants, you can easily create stunning container arrangements that celebrate the rich colors and textures of fall, extending your gardening enjoyment well into the cooler months. So, what exactly do we mean by fall container plants? These are resilient and visually impactful plants specifically chosen to thrive and look their best during the cooler temperatures and shorter days of autumn. Unlike delicate summer annuals, fall container plants are typically cold tolerant, often showcasing vibrant leaf colors, unique textures, or late-season blooms that resonate with the harvest season. We're talking about a strategic shift in plant palette to ensure your outdoor pots remain a focal point of beauty, welcoming guests and enhancing your home's curb appeal with the rich, earthy tones and interesting forms that define the autumn aesthetic, all while requiring relatively low maintenance. The benefits of embracing fall container plants are numerous and truly help bridge the gap between summer and winter. Firstly, they allow for extended seasonal beauty, keeping your patios, porches, and entryways vibrant and inviting long after summer flowers have faded. This maximizes your enjoyment of your outdoor spaces during a truly picturesque time of year. Secondly, fall containers offer instant curb appeal and a warm welcome, transforming the look of your home with seasonal flair that can easily be updated for Thanksgiving or Halloween. Thirdly, many fall plants are surprisingly low maintenance and resilient, thriving in cooler temperatures with less frequent watering than their summer counterparts, making them perfect for busy gardeners. Finally, they provide an excellent opportunity for creative expression and seasonal decorating, allowing you to play with rich autumn colors and textures to complement your fall decor, truly making your outdoor space feel cozy and festive. While mums are the traditional flower of choice for fall container gardens, they can be demanding plants and common florist mums aren't frost hardy. But there are lots of fall container plants that have all the autumn charm of mums, but are easier to grow, more resilient in cold weather, and less prone to pests and diseases. Here are the best mum alternatives, plus planting tips to help you design a fall planter with unique charm and all the autumn color you crave. 1. Black-Eyed Susan. Rudbeckia or Black-Eyed Susan come in a rainbow of colors, but classic golden yellow Black-Eyed Susan is the perfect shade for autumn planters. These easy-care plants sprout readily from seed, they grow quickly, and are incredibly cold tolerant. Not to mention, they make fantastic cut flowers and wild birds love their seeds. 2. Calendula. Also known as pot marigold, calendula is famous for its sunny yellow or orange flowers and their easygoing nature. Like Rudbeckia, calendula is quick to sprout from seed and plants can flower nearly continuously from late spring until the first hard frost. These plants can also be used for cut flowers. 3. Ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses add movement and height to fall planters, and a few also offer striking colors. While there are lots of ornamental grass varieties on the market, some of the best choices for fall containers include purple fountain grass or blue fescue. If you're going for a dark Halloween look, black mondo grass can be a fun choice as well. 4. Pansies. Don't be fooled by pansies' delicate look. These plants are surprisingly cold hardy, and they're actually at their best when nighttime temperatures are around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Best of all, pansies come in tons of colors to match any fall decor, and their compact size makes them easy to slip into hanging baskets or use as fillers between larger ornamentals. 5. Marigolds. With their yellow, orange, and red flowers, marigolds look right at home in autumn planters. But make sure that you know what type of marigold you're getting. French marigolds are a classic choice for autumn planters, and they generally grow about 6 to 12 inches high. However, some types of marigolds can stretch over 3 feet tall. 6. Zinnias. Marigolds and zinnias are both easy to grow from seed, but zinnia flowers come in a wider variety of colors. While warm yellows, oranges, and reds are traditionally associated with the fall season, planting zinnias in your container garden can allow you to play around with purples, pinks, and other shades you won't see in other fall container gardens. 7. Coneflowers. Native to North America, coneflowers come in different colors and sizes, and they have lower water needs than mums and many other plants. Use coneflowers as fillers or thrillers to draw attention to fall planters, or pair purple coneflowers with plants with yellow or orange blooms for an enchanting autumn display. If you don't deadhead coneflowers at the end of the season, finches and other seed-eating birds are likely to stop in for some tasty coneflower seeds. 8. Sedum. Like other succulents, sedums store moisture in their fleshy leaves, which means they don't need much supplemental water. But sedums also bring intriguing textures and colors to fall planters, and some types of sedums can even keep their dried flower heads through winter for added interest. Tall autumn joy sedums are especially popular around this time of the year, but you can also experiment with ground-covering sedums like dragon's blood or Angelina, which change color in cool weather. 9. Ornamental peppers. Ornamental pepper plants bring a pop of color to fall planters, but they also produce edible peppers that can be used to spice up fall recipes. While peppers aren't as cold tolerant as some of the other plants on this list, you can keep them growing a bit longer by covering them with a light sheet or a frost blanket when temperatures dip. Varieties like Sedona Sun or Black Pearl are especially well suited for container growing, since they max out at around 12 to 18 inches high and yield teeny tiny peppers. 10. Cosmos. With their pink and white flowers, cosmos may not be the most obvious choice for fall, but these plants are super easy to grow from seed, they adapt well to containers, and they can continue flowering until the first fall frost. And some types have yellow or red flowers. Cosmos are also ideal for making autumn bouquets, and you can encourage your plants to bloom more abundantly by harvesting flowers often. 11. Helenium. Also known as sneezeweed, helenium plants are prolific bloomers that produce tons of orange, yellow, and red flowers from summer to fall. These plants earned the name sneezeweed because they were traditionally used for medicinal purposes, not because they trigger seasonal allergies. For that fall feel, pair helenium with ornamental grasses and coneflowers, or mix and match them with sedums or ornamental peppers for a planter with unique flair. 12. Ornamental brassicas. Cabbage, kale, and Swiss chard are mostly grown in veggie gardens, but you can also plant ornamental brassicas in window boxes and porch planters to bring extra color to your doorstep. While ornamental brassicas are edible, they aren't as tasty as the brassicas in your vegetable garden, but they make up for it with their flashy leaves, which come in shades of purple, green, and white and coordinate beautifully with fall flowers and ornamental grasses. 13. Amaranth. Almost all types of amaranth are edible, but amaranths can also produce boldly colored seed heads and colorful leaves that display well in fall. While some amaranth varieties, like the colorful burgundy amaranth, are too tall for most planters, dwarf amaranths like globe amaranth or pygmy's torch are the perfect size for pots. Like ornamental grasses, amaranth is a top pick if you want to add movement and texture to your planter or attract seed-eating birds. 14. Asters. Asters come in many colors and sizes, but most types bloom from summer to fall, and they may continue flowering through October and beyond. Many species of asters are native to North America, which makes them a great choice for growers with an interest in native planting. Asters are also an excellent cutting flower, and they're often visited by bees and other pollinators late in the season when other food sources are scarce. 15. Millet. Millet plants have lots to recommend them. They have a strong silhouette, they come in different colors, they're easy to grow from seed, they blend well with other autumn plants, and they come in dwarf sizes for container growing. With its dark leaves and seed heads, purple millet looks especially appealing beside plants with bright orange and yellow or deep red blooms. So as you pack away the pool noodles and pull out the cozy sweaters, remember that your garden season is far from over. With these fantastic fall container plants, you can effortlessly transition your outdoor spaces from the bright exuberance of summer to the rich, warm beauty of autumn. It's a simple, high-impact way to keep the color coming and ensure your patio or entryway stays a welcoming focal point through the season. Are you ready to create your own fall masterpiece? Let me know which of these plants is your favorite in the comments below. If this video gave you the inspiration to ditch those dying summer annuals, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who loves fall, and be sure to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs. We'll keep bringing you the best tips and ideas for making every season magical in your garden. Tap that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy autumn decorating!